Ploise Denture Dome. Now, according to its website, this is a denture cleaning device designed to clean and sanitize dentures and other dental appliances. They claim it uses ultrasonic cleaning and UV light to remove bacteria, plaque buildup, stains, and even bad odors. The kind that regular brushing might miss. Sounds impressive, right? They also say it can clean dentures in just a few minutes and keep them feeling fresh with regular use. But the big question is it actually legit or just another overhyped product? Let's break it down together. First, let's talk about the results they claim. The website mentions things like 93% cleaner dentures and 90% less gum irritation. Now here's the issue. There's no clear information on who conducted these tests. No independent lab, no dental organization, no certified medical body. There are no reports, no studies, and no documents shared to back up these numbers. Without transparent proof, these results feel more like marketing claims than real, medically supported evidence. And honestly, that's a big red flag. Next, we notice something else that raised our eyebrows. The product claims it has been seen on major media outlets like NBC, CBS, ABC, USA Today, Fox News, and even digital journals. But here's the problem. There are no links, no screenshots, and no proof provided at all. And that's unusual, because if a product really was featured on these platforms, why not show it? Without evidence, it makes you question not just this claim, but all the other claims too. Moving on, let's talk about the sales tactics. We saw things like, save 50%, and Christmas discount ends today, along with free shipping offers. These are clearly designed to push people into buying fast, before they've had time to think things through. There's also a free ebook included, which feels more like a typical upsell tactic than real added value. Overall, the focus seems to be more on creating urgency rather than explaining why the product is genuinely worth buying. Another concern is the language used throughout the website. You'll see phrases like, kills 99.99% of bacteria, and clinical grade clean. But once again, there's no independent testing or verification shown to support these bold statements. The description also leans heavily on fear-based messaging, talking about hidden bacteria, health risks, and long-term damage, which makes the product sound far more dramatic than it may actually be. And of course, it promises fast, effortless results in just 5 minutes. That's a very common sales tactic, and it often oversimplifies the reality of proper denture care. Finally, we checked user reviews. And this part is especially concerning. The website itself is full of glowing testimonials, but they almost feel too perfect. When we searched outside the site, we couldn't find reviews on Trustpilot, and we couldn't find real discussions on Reddit either. Without reliable third-party feedback, it's extremely difficult to trust the product or make a confident decision. So, what's the final verdict? Based on everything we found, Ploise Denture Dome raises several red flags. Strong claims without transparent testing. No real proof of media coverage. Heavy reliance on urgency-based discounts and marketing buzzwords. And a lack of independent customer reviews. Overall, the product appears more focused on selling than on providing verifiable, trustworthy results. So if you're considering buying it, we strongly recommend proceeding with caution. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews like this.